Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. It involves selecting fonts, adjusting spacing and alignment, and considering the overall visual impact of text. Here are some key aspects of typography. 1. Typefaces and fonts. A typeface is a family of fonts with a consistent style, while a font refers to a specific weight, style, and size within that family. Serif and sans serif. Serif fonts have decorative lines or strokes, while sans serif fonts are clean and without these lines. Choose based on the mood and readability you want to convey. 2. Font size. Legibility. Adjust font size based on the medium and purpose. Larger fonts for headings, smaller for body text. Hierarchy. Create a visual hierarchy by varying font sizes to emphasize important information.